Hi, so today we're going to do a fun DIY that is a fun activity you can do for yourself to de-stress as well as you can do with kids. I will say if you're going to do this activity with kids, use a different bottle, probably not glass. I did read that those mouthwash bottles they come in, those tend to be better and they're child-proof safety. I picked this one because we're doing ocean in a bottle or sea in the bottle, and there's two different versions that I'm going to combine. So you can just do obviously the water and oil, how they don't mix, so it's very therapeutic to see it through, and you put some dye, and that's about it. Sea in a bottle is water, seashells, and glitter, and you mix it around. It looks very pretty. We're going to do both of those together to make it a really cool. Let's see how it comes out. But what you're going to need, of course, is water, oil, glitter, blue dye, and then optional to put seashells. Now, since I picked this bottle, we'll see if the seashells fit because it's not a very big opening. But we'll play around with it. You can always use different kind of bottles that you want to use to make it. Just have fun with it. So it fits. So you're going to want with the seashells first before adding the water and, oh, that's a cool shell. The water and oil. So dump these seashells out. Now all these crafts are up to you. They can be, I think I got everything under $5. This was about $5. This came in a pack, so it was $5, but you can buy them individually. It was sad to have silver. Silver tends to be really pretty. In there, I got some different blues because I thought that would be different. But you can mix around. It doesn't even have to be blue. It could be different kind of colors. You can see that one didn't fit. Just mix it in there. You can add beads in there. I'm trying to look for some colorful shells. Not to make it completely blue, but have some color. I'll add maybe 2 more shells to make it fun. Ooh, that's pretty. I like these pinks. And maybe 1 more blue, if I find blue. I think that's enough shells. Okay, 1 more. Is this a bead? Why not? Okay, so then you're going to want to add glitter. You don't want to put the whole container, you want to put like a little bit, mix it in there. Again, I read silver comes out really nice. I want to do 2 different kinds of glitter. So this one's really fine. And it's like a light teal blue kind of glitter. Trying. Then we have this cool turquoise big glitter pieces. It's like a big cutout chunk. I think this would be fun to put in there. So then you put your glitter. Ooh, it comes out. Oh. So maybe mess around with your kind of glitters and see if they come out. This is the first time I use this glitter. So we're seeing. Oh, there we go. You gotta have to poke it. It's kind of like a paper. Watch, this might come out too well. It's okay. It's a fun experiment, right? Okay, I think that's enough glitter. So we got those 2 glitters, we got our seashells, move that to the side. Okay, now you're going to want to add your water. So we got our water. Ooh, don't spill it like I do. So you want to fill it like halfway, so then you can fill the other half with oil. That's looking really cool. Okay, this is like a fun science experiment. Of course, but messy. So have paper towels and napkins if you're doing this for yourself as well as with your kiddos. Because if they're messy like me, you'll be spilling it all over the place. Maybe it would be better to have a water bottle to pour this in rather than this big pitcher of measuring cup. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a towel because I made a mess. So yeah, probably have paper napkins and towels to clean up your mess. Clean up my bottle. You can see how the glitter's all in there. Okay, so then the next thing after your water, you're going to want to add 1 drop of your dye. Okay, we got the 1 drop. Ooh, look at that. Looks so fun. Then you're going to want to mix it. So the last thing you're gonna add is the oil. We got our dye. That's looking really cool. It's kind of looking like, did I ever do those science projects when it was like Twister in a bottle? It's kind of looking like that. So you're doing like an ocean in a bottle with a twist. I like that. Okay, so now we got our oil. And that's the last thing we're gonna add. I might put more glitter. I feel like that's not enough glitter. But I like glitter. I like things that are shiny, sparkly, colorful. So we'll see. I might put more. So the other part of this is gonna be oil. Oh, that's looking pretty cool. Okay, we'll do another part. Okay, maybe no more glitter because the glitter's all stuck in the oil. Maybe put more seashells? I think that's what I'm gonna do, is put some seashells in the bottom. Okay, that one didn't fit. Yeah, I'm definitely adding more seashells to make it look a little cooler. Alright, that's more than enough shells. I'm gonna clean my bottle a bit. Looks a little oily, which is of course the point. Maybe add a little bit more water. There's no wrong way to do this. I think just have fun with it. Again, it's like a mini science project. To me, it reminds me of the Twister in the bottle that I did, I think in 3rd grade. And I had a lot of fun with it. We got our water, we got our oil, got the mix. And now we close it. Okay, sorry, I have to close it. And we shake. That's looking so cool. So there's your ocean in a bottle. It's very therapeutic. So this was a mix, like I said. So you can either just do the oil and water with the blue dye, or you can just do the water with the shells and glitter. I did a mix of both because I thought it would be cool. And it is kind of cool. So the glitter's like stuck in the oil. Huh? Ooh, I even have a shell stuck in the oil. Very cool. So yeah, this is a simple DIY of ocean in a bottle. It's supposed to be therapeutic. Again, if you're gonna do it with kids, I recommend not a glass bottle. Use the mouthwash bottle, but have fun. And I'm definitely putting this in my office so I can look at it when I'm stressed. Thanks for watching. I'm just Joss'n. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you like this channel, please give a thumbs up. And of course, you can always subscribe. Bye.